Welcome back. It's been a busy week. A lot of things under the hood, a lot of interface things, a lot of AI tools that helps you identify, analyze properties, and some tools that I think you're gonna like that will make your life much easier of generating leads out of those signals. Let's jump in and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so we're not going to go through all the dashboard opportunities, the tabs. There's a dedicated video for that. If you want, you can find the link in the description and go look at that video. We'll go and see just the features that has been added on. So I'm here in the opportunity tab. For now, if you are sorting like I did, for example, for opportunities urgent, this is what you want to work. So I chose from 9 and above, and it populated a list, and I can go through the list. Every list is from 50. This is the capacity on the page. What you can do now, not only that you can add to list, which is a new thing that we have in my list, and I'll show you that in a minute. You can add each opportunity to list, or add it to the pipeline, or actually view details like we used to view details. Now I can actually choose the entire list by clicking select, and you see here there's a new pop-up that says 50 opportunities has been selected, and I can add them to list. So just as I could add every single opportunity to the list, which is a new page, my list, I can add the bulk ones. So I just added my 50 opportunities into my list, and I'm going to my list page and see what's going on. So going to my list page, I see all the opportunities that I've added into the list. Here comes the first add-on that we added for people who actually want to generate a mass amount of opportunities into leads. Now, and this is a paid features, by the way, and I will explain in a minute. Now I can actually check those hundreds, and there's a new thing that's called Opportunity Blitz. Opportunity Blitz is one click. Instead of going each opportunity, one click, it's automatically go to enrich each opportunity. Enrich, remember, is going and finding the email address and the phone number of the person. Draft and outreach, in other words, draft an email address, draft an SMS, and send it out. So instead of doing that manually for each opportunity, I just clicked in here, selected my list, click Opportunity Blitz, and it goes out. Now, this is the first add-on. Let me talk a little bit about Opportunity Blitz. Opportunity Blitz is basically an automated action for somebody who does not want to work an opportunity by opportunity. This is somebody who has multiple trades and has a lot of 8 and above, 9 and above opportunities. He doesn't mind to just blast them out and send a bulk emails and SMS. This is what Opportunity Blitz is, like the word blitz. We're just blasting in one blast. Now, obviously, as I said, this is a paid feature because using that, the API is firing up a lot of things at once. So you have a package that you can buy. It doesn't matter which package you are. It's not for starters, because remember, starter package does not have the AI outreach. So it starts from the Pro plan and above. That means Pro and Power. You can add on either 500 opportunities a month Blitz, which will replenish every month, 1,000 opportunities, or 2,000 opportunities a month Blitz. You can still, without even buying the Blitz, do the outreach manually on each and every one of them. You have no cap. This is only for one-click Blitz. So to make it clear, every opportunity that you go on your... Okay, so you basically go to an opportunity, and in each opportunity, you can enrich the opportunity without any Blitz. And after enriching, you can create an outreach. And over the outreach is like I explained in the other videos. You can send the email, SMS, and so on. Blitz is an option to purchase by certain packages. You don't have to have it, but if you do, it's available. On top of that, we have brand new plan. So we have the starter, which is $99. It has everything without the AI outreach. You can still outreach yourself, but the AI is not writing you the SMS or the outreach, and no automation, no follow-up. You need to do it yourself. The Pro is including, so it's $149 from the Pro, and you can either do the outreach yourself on every single opportunity that you choose. If you want multiple bulk, you want to, and you have the option to purchase the package of the opportunity Blitz. On top of that, we have brand new plan that's called the Ultra. The Ultra is just like the Power, that has 3 trades included. It has 10 trades. This is for a big company that does a lot of trades of remodeling or construction, or even if you think to be a lead generator company. So for $950, but what it includes 10 trades. It includes all the AI outreach, and includes the package of 2,000 opportunity blast a month. We've seen the My List. We've seen how we can add to My List from opportunities just by searching, by clicking it, selecting the opportunities, and adding them to the list. From the list, every opportunity that actually been outreached automatically will go into the pipeline. So once it's in a pipeline and it's been sent out and outreached, automatically it will be under contacted on this column in here. When it's in contacted in here, when you open the opportunity, you will see that there's new things in here. So first of all, it says in here that the status, that means it's contacted, what it is, when was it contacted. When it says touches, that means it was an email and an SMS, not just one thing that went out. When was it? It was today. Next step, if there's a next step, it will be in here, or you can actually add the next step. Underneath is the regular card that we know already from our opportunity page. We see the property view, we see the contact information in here. There's a new thing in here that's called AI deal brief. So when you click that, it will generate a briefing based on the information of the opportunity, and will give you the status why this person is actually a good candidate for what is the risk, is a high urgency window, disaster recovery project. So it gives you an information of how to handle the opportunity, whether you want to take an action or not, or set as a next step. It actually suggests you what to do, and it says set as a next step. It will actually take it from here and add it to the next step, like we were showing right up here. Underneath that, you have the quick actions, contact engagement. It will tell you whatever the outreach of ours is actually doing something. If there was a reply, not reply, if it becomes a qualified lead. And this tab here is not here for nothing, because we added one more important thing to this platform. And underneath here is the activity, so you can see what the activity is. If you have any more information, you found out more information about the client, you can just click here on the job details and add any more information that you want, the follow-up date, the estimated value. If you added estimated value in here, it automatically in the pipeline will jump from contacted to estimated, because you can see estimated sent, and it will send the estimate out. This is estimated. Now, the other thing that we've done, so we've seen how you can actually pull opportunity from the pool of the opportunities, select the ones that we like and put them in My List. From My List, we can take action and either outreach ourselves individually, one by one, the ones that we choose, and we don't need to spend the extra money on the packages of the opportunity Blitz. Or if you have an Ultra, then you can just do that and just click the Blitz and it will go out. And all of that is out. Once it is out there with the cloud at this point, and the client actually receives the SMS or the email and replies to it, even if they don't reply to you directly, because the body of the SMS and the email will carry your phone number or email, if they reply to our system email behalf of you, the AI knows that it's a reply, and it automatically goes to the new page that's called Lead Engine. So this is a demo. My account here as an admin, so I don't outreach to anybody. But if I would outreach and somebody will reply or reply to an email or reply to an SMS, automatically it will pop up in here. This page, we call it the Lead Engine because this page is dedicated to every signal that we outreached and being escalated. Then in here will be the new responses that came. The AI will understand what response it is. It will qualify it. If it's qualified, it will bring it to a qualified. If it's an active pipeline, in other words, there's communication with the person. If we want a meeting or a contract, it will be in here. In other words, this page is your lead generation page. So in here in the dashboard, nothing has been changed. Everything stayed the same. The opportunity page, in the opportunity page, we added the option that you can actually bulk select opportunities. You don't need to go one by one. You can add them to a list and choose the either individual opportunities that you want to mark. You see, it says in here, I chose 3 of them. If you have the list and you purchased a Blitz, you click that and you can just click Blitz and it's done. Once you click the Blitz or once you do the outreach, the AI takes over and takes care of everything. And once you have an actual lead in your engine, you will get notified. It will be in here. You'll get a pop-up on your screen and you'll get a push notification to your phone that this opportunity is now a lead. Glad we've been here. Thank you very much.